set at the 1600 metres, and they're off now. And waxing a touch slow. Suavito was a little bit slow to move as well, and she settles last with Shoreham. Jacquinot Bay jumped evenly. Walker's kicking him forward from wide out, and he's going to eventually come over. Sartorius is right up there with him in the early part, and Guest of Honour is going to settle down third at a moderate tempo, and Suavito's rushed up pretty quickly on the outside, and she's with the leaders now. Just off them then came down on the inside Corkum, followed by Escardo, a length further back Waxing, and then came Smoke and Joey, and Shoreham as last. Well, after missing the start, the favourite Suavito's been taken to the lead by Oliver, 1,000 to go. Jacquinot Bay's now 3/4 second. Sartorius on the rails is third, and Guest of Honour is fourth over on the outside. 1.5 then to Corkum, and the red cap just getting into a bit of cramped room, and Parnham's off and running now, wider on Smoke and Joey as they race down the side to approach the home turn. They're followed then by Shoreham peeling to the outside, trying to get a card into it, and well back as Escardo. Waxing is now last, 600 to go, and Suavito's going to corner with a clear lead. The favourite first for home from Jacquinot Bay. On the inside, Sartorius. Wider now with the last crack at them is Smoke and Joey starting to come home, and Shoreham from wide out. They're followed then by Guest of Honour. 3:50 to go, and Suavito a length in front from Jacquinot Bay. Smoke and Joey starting to wind up. Corkum and Sartorius down to the inside, but Suavito kicking on really strongly at the 200. Leads by a length to Smoke and Joey all out. Corkum on the fence and Sartorius, but Suavito keeps running strongly to the line. The favourite home. Suavito a length and a half. Sartorius. Corkum got third. Smoke and Joey wilted. He's in a photo for fourth with Escardo. Then Guest of Honour, who didn't come on from Jacquinot Bay. Shoreham, and last to finish is Waxing.
Well, that's why Deal was one of the best jockeys in the world. He could have gone pear-shaped at the start when she was tardy away, and they were all jostling for position. No one really wanted to lead, and Ollie said, well, I'm going to make something happen here. He rolled forward. It looked a touch iffy at the time, but she comes in and she's done her part, and Ollie does his job done. Group 2, Doncaster approaches now for Suavito. Sartorius, a lovely typical first up run from him. Out and back for the sprint, you would think. Corkum, a little bit over racing inside, back in the field here, but that's why the good jockeys turn up every day, and that's why Oliver's a star on Super Saturday, rolling forward and making it his race.
Yep, all honest to the winner. Suavito, no doubt, did some early work, no matter how you look at it. Then was able to get some cheap mid-race sectionals. Left the rail, kicked really strongly as the others loomed and holding them all on the line. Sartorius, a really good return from the veteran, and Corkum, who measured up well in a race where the weights didn't suit him, who's backed at good odds and still did a bit wrong. Smoke and Joey going to be keen today and peeled out a long way from home. He still loomed a bit, just didn't finish it off. And Suavito, all honours winner. He's winning rider. D. Oliver, what's that?
D. Oliver, 5th by mistake, Ollie.